Morning, everybody. I'm here. Morning, everybody. I'll be right with you. Sorry. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I think you all can hear me. Yep, you can hear me. Hopefully, you can see me. Oh, I only have a couple trades up and some buy side. Sell stop 1 minute, US 30. Sell stop US 30 1 minute. But let me see where we're at with everything on this one. I've got so much going on. You have some exciting stuff coming. Even further excitement. Keith is hacking out the. We have one issue with the scanner, seeing a certain type of trade, but it's seeing plenty of other ones perfectly, so we're not worried about that. Speaking of which, all right, now we're good. Oh wow! Now I have to get on TikTok. Holy crap! 3 minutes to open. I haven't gone. Um. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I just bought a surge, super huge. Have you ever seen a power surge protector where it literally um, you plug it weighs about 10 pounds, maybe 5 pounds, 5 pounds, probably closer to five. But it actually it's a surge protector that has built-in battery storage. It's like perfection. I love the thing. I had one years and years and years and years ago. but not like this. It wasn't a built. Well, it was built in, but didn't have this many surge protectors. But anyway, let me get up on TikTok here, and then I'll see if I can make any call outs that aren't wasteful. Oh boy. All right, let me see TikTok. All right. Think we're there on TikTok. Maybe. Pretty sure we're here. Good. Let's see if we can see everything. Damn. Sell stop. Oh hell, let me try to make those calls in a second. If you guys only knew how much shit I had going on, you'd be laughing your ass off. Shit. Why can't we see the bottom? What? Well, I can see the bottom on my phone from miles. Oh, it's there. All right. Morning TikTok. Morning YouTube. Morning Strictly Polka Dot. Good morning, user 745654. Morning, a lot of people, but I don't have a lot of time to go about this. Buy stop 1 minute to the blue line. Oh, I didn't even look at anything. Hold on. Let me look at the indices real quick. Oh, hold on. That was SPX. Sell stop SPX. You should already be in it 1 minute. Damn, market open, market open. Oh, shit. Uh, um, 15-minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. Uh, 4-hour buy stop SPX. 1 minute sell stop, pretty much everything, actually. And then 1 hour buy stop. Let me see if I can get a little better. There's your sell stop. There's your US 30. Now, I did call that one. You're in the money on your US 30 sell stop. You're in the money on your US 30 sell stop. You're in the money on your US 30 sell stop. I'm going to go ahead and switch some of these over to sells too. Oh no, I'm going too late. Oh, let me go ahead and mock these out right here. Oh, sorry I didn't prepare y'all better. All right. Now, we're in the sell on US 30. That's freaking awesome. Sorry to get you guys more prepared. I did call that one. I didn't call the SPX in time, though, I don't think. So, SPX now. You're about to see NAS dip, and then these are to the blue line, 5 minute blue line for NAS. Let me see where SPX is at. Yep, SPX is below it. Let me see US 30. US 30. Yeah, play NAS to the sell stop to the blue line. Watch it come down and touch it. Here it comes now. Yep, there we go. Beautiful. We're in this one trade here. And I have some accounts and some trades in the US. You can take your money out. The touch happened. Perfect. Again, just started out this morning. Beautiful. Oh, tis of the OC of sun. Look at that money. $130 on a .08. There's your money. Take your profit off this NAS. I know you had time to do it because I literally just did it myself. You're now up 18 pips, 15 pips. Take your money out and hit the blue line on the 5 minute. Let's see what that looks like on my new thing. Oh my gosh. You guys are going to be so thrilled. I mean, I got some updates coming after I just gave you the other updates. Ooh, if this taps us out, I'm going, damn little. All right, we're going to go right back in again. Just wait. If they come down and touch us, they do. If they don't, they don't. No worries there. I do have to put this up. I am so far behind. So I had to unplug everything. You're back in the money again on those, by the way. When I did unplug everything, of course, everything went down again. So that's the whole purpose of my surge protector story I was telling you. You're in the money again. Take your money out if you're. These are 1 minute sell stops, and then 1 hour buy stops. So US 30, NAS 100, SPX 500. 1 minute sells. Just keep looking for the sell stops till a 5 minute blue line on NAS. And then 1 hour buy stops. All right, at least they're down. All right, now you made money twice on those if you did that. So take your money out. Where were we on SPX? SPX is rocketing downward. Everybody should be in the money on SPX. Nothing you can really do about that. Filled in the gap nicely. Perfection. Let me see US 30. US 30 is also nothing but money. Wow. On US 30 this morning on this sell stop, you'd be up over $145. $145. Are you kidding me? NAS is in the money again. NAS is in the money. Take your profit and get out if you want to. If you open up more than one, keep one open. If you didn't, lock it in. Okay. And then keep one open. We're up $50, $60, $60, $70, depending on how much you have in there. I have a 0.04 open on this. We're up $68, $70. Look at the money you're making. Nothing but money 3 times on NAS. Nothing but money on US 30. 3 times on NAS. Watch it fall before your very eyes. Oh, Kev, how did you know this was a sell stop? Because it's going to the blue line on the 5 minute. That's how. But Kev, it wasn't showing it. Learn the system. 2 out of the 3. Boom. US 30 below it. Boom. SPX below it. Boom. US 30. Boom. NAS to it. And now below it. Look. US 30. Boom. Below it. SPX. Boom. Below it. NAS now to it. Boom. 2 out of the 3. Now it's 3 out of the 3. Called you, told you it was going down to the blue line. It did once. It came back down twice. And this is the 3rd time. 3 times this morning you had time to make money. 3 times. Yay. Yay, us in the system. Congratulations on those of you who made money. Hopefully y'all did. I dropped this count down to 3,500 this morning. I withdrew the money, and I have one trade going in it. So $3,500 is now $3,700. We're up $145 on this trade. No big deal. It's a smaller account. I didn't have time to load up on it. Jimmy Hustle, thanks, Jimmy, for being our first and only right now teacher of the day. Jimmy Hustle. Good morning, Jimmy. I was watching for you. Couldn't find you at 9:15. Yep, that's when I came on, BSC. Yeah, sometimes I actually do other things and sleep every once in a blue moon. We might be getting a sell stop in for US 30 soon. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Kev. Who is this? Neil Boyce. Good morning, Neil. Good morning, Strictly Polka Dot. Good morning, user 7465. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Jimmy Hustle. All right. Hopefully, you guys, some of you caught that today. Next up on our agenda is good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, McCain. Good morning, Philip Sinclair. Good morning, Apollonia. Good morning, Parson. Good morning, Bootlegger. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Nadal. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Mariana. Good morning, Jose. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Mike Lewinsky, my best friend from 40 years ago, and still best friend. I hope Michelle's here too, his sister. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, Brad A. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Pappy. Good morning, 051. Afternoon, sir. Good morning, Christopher Paul. Good morning, David Baginski. I shouldn't try last names. Good morning, Christopher Paul. Good morning, Paige DeMark. Good morning, Curtly. Everyday Well Systems. Good morning. Sorry, I got to get out a little bit earlier than this. I had so much to do. Should have made sell stop, fill in the gap 1 minute. Sell stop, fill in the gap 1 minute. US 30. Let me go over here. Sell stop, some invest. This is the only thing you're going to get. It's going to come up a little bit and hook and come back down. That's all you're going to get. So I don't think you're going to get a full on sell stop. Guys and girls, please press thumb up. Good morning, Sam. Thank you, Sam, for saying that. Gold in the 30-minute Chaz says, I bet you did. Yeah. Sam, good morning. Good morning, Urban Astoria. Boom says gold, says Sam. Guys and girls, please press thumb up. Marius, thank you for the quick 2,000 US 31 minutes. Thank you. Congratulations, Marius. Thank you for actually doing that. Zero NAS 115-minute blue line. I don't know on that. We'll see in a minute. Probably if you're saying that, let me check on that. Stefan, amazing system. You're right, Stefan. I hope you made some money this morning. Travis, Clarish, got to get ready for work. Made 21% of my account. Nice, Travis. Congratulations, Travis. Morning, Eric. Eric, did you catch any of those trades? Did you catch the 5 minute by chance? I hope to God you did. Jason McCain, good morning. Oh, good morning, Jason. Welcome back. I think you've been back for a while, but I missed you for a minute. Morning, Harold. Good morning, Muna. Good morning, Fly. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Lashy. Good morning, Builder. I always call him Vegas. Good morning, Builder. All right. Hope you guys caught some of that money. Sell stop. I would like this to come a little bit higher, but we're not going to get everything I like, unfortunately. SPX did what it did. Perfection. I'll show you everything in there in a second. Let me see. Is this NAS? This is NAS. Oh, good. NAS is pulling back up now. Nice. All right. So either took your money out or you didn't on NAS. Let me see one thing over here. Look at this thing of beauty. Oh my gosh, I love it. All three are below. All three have hit. This is perfection. Boom, boom. Oh, if you guys can only see what I see in my laptop right now. Woo! Sell stop. We're going to drop in again. Since it goes up a little. Now, let's be clear. NAS is also a 1 hour buy stop. Technically a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. But I'm staying in. I'm sell position ready, actually. And just be ready. If it comes down, more power to us. If it doesn't come down, no foul, no harm. Okay? And this is going to be our buy. And we'll just wait. This isn't rocket scientist. If it hits something, take it. If it doesn't hit it, you don't take it. How about that? All right, where were we? You're at your US 30. That's the best you're going to get. There's nothing better. It's just the way it is. Trust me on that one. US 30 is on a manned mission. If it pulls back up again, take it. Let it come up, and we'll take that sell. Trust me. Close down 2 positions in profit on NAS this one. It's all I've done. In fact, let's switch over from US 30 to NAS over here so we can see a few things. Yeah, that's a mess. What the hell that fucking thing is. And if you said you took this trade down here somewhere and you were up 30, 40, 50 pips and you didn't take profit on NAS and it turns around and goes rocketing straight up, what do we call those people? We call those greedy people, and they're going to get what they deserve. Greedy people get slaughtered in this game. Slaughtered. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. I think I read this right. Yeah, I'm good with this. 1 minute sell stops across the board. Keep looking for them as you see. Oh, good. We're going to see a bigger pullback. Let let uh let US 30 come up higher. Hold on. I haven't checked gold. Hold on. Let me check gold. Oh shit. Gold. Gold was a 1 minute buy stop. Someone made money on that. I'm sure Sam and Kim. Congratulations. Oh, it was a 5 minute buy stop too. Oh, Look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. Oh, gold hit its 1 hour. Called this out yesterday. 4 hour sell stop gold. Daily buy stop gold. If you were in gold, it hit its blue line, the 1 hour, like I said. Woo! All right, let's go through a few more. Fuck it. Let's do it. Amazon. Amazon. 1 minute buy. It's already past it. 5 minute. Do I hear someone stirring?
Good morning.
Morning, Precious. I just got on myself. I just got up like 9:07.
Oh, wow.
The luckiest man in the world. Oh, sorry. Up to you. Oh, and I think there's 3 cents. Let's get in your new little crown chair.
Yay.
Fit for the princess. So comfy. How about a blankie? I'll get you a blankie.
Very comfortable.
All right, guys. We'll be right back to finish up a few calls.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Precious. Yeah, I didn't do anything of this. Well, actually, look over here. Look what Andre was able to do for us. Do you see the Nate MacD? And all I have to do is rename it. So that's done. The scanners are working perfectly. Called out a 5 minutes to the blue line, actually.
Wow.
So that's how we did those trades right there.
Good morning.
Yeah, everyone, Bree's in the house. Precious in the house. $668 in US 30 EHOG. Great job, Jimmy. Sam UK is saying good morning to you. Are you going little 3 on TikTok? Are you going live? I'm already out live on TikTok. Yes, Kareem. Everyone got.
Jimmy.
If you're saying good morning to everybody. Yeah, we can move this over here now. Morning, Becky Manderson. Morning, Becky. Keith Palmer, the mastermind behind the sell to the blue line. But anyway, I haven't gotten through shit this one. It's been horrible. We made money on US 30. Everyone's thrilled. We made money on NAS 3 times. But the mastermind behind this scanner right here, the greatest scanner in the history of the world, and I'll stand behind it even if there's a little bit there, which you pick the second thing if there is. Beautiful calls on NAS, the sell stop, SPX sell stop, done, US 30 sell stop. You can see, don't worry about the time. Actually, keep your ask we take off those times of crossings because everyone gets confused. They think it's their time instead of Forex time if it's in Denver or whatever server we're on. But whatever, you can leave them if you want or keep them silently timestamped. I don't know what to do. I don't think they need to have the time on there, just confuses people. But at any rate, there is a scanner he created working magically. I know you just print money when you see these things, SS1s or SS3s. All you do is confirm it as a human being. We rule all robots, EAs, and everything else. But Keith Palmer made the scanner up, and it is unbelievably effective. We have one read issue on it, but other than that, it works on all indices, all Forex majors and crosses. Works on all major. Look at all these different coins it works on for your cryptos. Look at them all. It was going crazier. There's one. There's an OMG USD. You can see a green spinning arrow means buy stop, or to look for the buy stop. And yes, it was and is and does. You're in the money on your sells on NAS. Please take that money out. And Keith also, we have to continue more and more and more. Keith also has stock, and we have look. A banner comes up. New safety trade race M15 sell stop 1. That means it's going to its blue line, moving downwards. So let's go ahead. I don't even know what that is. Google 1 minute sell stop. This thing is me but better. This is me in a bottle. This is like me if I had steroids and I could see 8 different time frames and 200 different symbols at one time. Look what it's doing. Sell stop. Google sell stop. JPM 15-minute sell stop. SS1. Oh, that's a good one. Should look at that one. Look at them all. Look at this amazing scanner all day long. Just look the new one. You only play when they say new. Then you look them up, especially your 1 minute, 5 minutes. Then you look them up. If they're still spinning, you can look at them, but don't trade them unless you see exactly what you want to see. You're in the money again on your NAS, up even more money now. The race one is right there. You can see it's flashing new. Here's your little training on the scanner. If it flashes new, open up the SS1, open up the trade. That means it's trading to the one, in this case, the 15-minute blue line. It may be perfect, it may not. You're a human being, you override it. And if you see that the 5 minutes better or the 30 minutes better, you make your trade accordingly. This scanner right here is seeing these sell stops exactly like I see them. So if it's calling out a 15-minute sell stop SS1 to the blue line, that's exactly what it's going to show you. How do I know? Because if you click on this picture right here, it'll show this. And can you imagine the scanner? Red, 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 green, red, red, exactly. And it's going back to the blue line, and in the SS1 case, it's been verified, but that gets too confusing. I'm not doing that. It actually trades better than 90% of you, quite frankly. I'm just looking at 2 time frames instead of 1. So there you go. Yep. Watching over 55 different stock symbols alone. Here's another one that pop up. Safety trade IBM 1 minute BS3. It just popped up. So let's take a look. What does that look like? We scan on down. You look at it. And what do you see? There's a GE. Nope. What do we see? There's the IBM buy stop. You click on it, shows you a picture. You look at the picture. You say, hey, yeah, that green, 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 red, green, green, perfect. Look what it did the last time to the blue line. Look what it did. It called all those out. I guarantee you it did. Look at this shit. Amazing, Keith. Just freaking amazing. That's all I can tell you. Amazing. Yeah, and again, you should get the system if so interested right here. The safety trade system, sell stops in the money, by the way, on your NAS. You should take that money out. If you didn't, shame on you. It did a fill in the gap perfectly for you. And by the way, you're in the money on the US 30 too. So go to the safetytrade.com. That is the only place you can buy the system correctly, like all by itself, the way it should be. So that's all. Not should be. Now let me go and close this off real quick. I'm going to keep open the Forex one. If we have any new ones pop up over there, we'll see them. All right, so let's take a look. And then we'll get back to the actual trading. I know you guys hyper. Your 1 minute fill in the gap, I told you it was only going to get this good. It can't go up again. It was just too strong of a down. So if you'd have gotten somewhere inside of this mess, you'd be up another 75 tips on US 30, including the top US 30. NAS, you're in the money yet again on NAS sell stop. I swear in all that's holy. If I have one person come at me on an email, and we have hundreds, 700 some people, right? If I have one of them come at, oh, I didn't make money once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, just in the last since I've been rambling on and on. Look at it go down before your very eyes for the 50 millionth time. Take part, close one down, keep one open. But if you come back and say, "Oh, I didn't make money. I didn't make money. I don't know how to trade," then go back to the fundamentals, rewatch your trading over and over and over again. By the way, there are several people in the Discord making exceptionally good trades. Thank you guys for posting these. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I'll get into that in a second. All right, and look at the downward thrust. Look, boom. SPX isn't so much money. We'll go over that US 30 trade. Now, let me make a whole bunch of calls. I'm going to call out Bitcoin. I'm going to call out GBP USD. Matter of fact, let me do GBP USD now. Too late. 1 minute buy stop. 2 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Come on. These are gimme buy stops. There was a 5 minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. Then there was a 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. All right, it's too late. Don't even trade this. Don't even trade this. There is a 4-hour sell and a daily buy. That's all I'm calling. Come on, weekly sell. Really? Monthly sell to the monthly blue line. I'm not calling you. You look for any 1 minute buys or recommendation to yours. Jiminy Christmas. Bitcoin, 1 minute. Already hit its blue line. Interesting. 1 minute buy, 5 minute sell stop. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. 4 hours sell, daily buy stop, weekly sell stop Bitcoin, monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Ethereum's going to match this. Ethereum, they always run the same. 1 minute, it's a buy, 5 minute sell, 30-minute, 1 hour sell. Ethereum, 4 hour sell, daily buy Ethereum, daily buy, weekly sell Ethereum, monthly buy Ethereum. XRP's in the house. What do you want to talk to you guys about? I called XRP to the 52-cent mark to the perfection it did on a daily, and you're still at 50 cents. And it was called out from 31 cents. If you didn't make money on that, shame on you. 1 minute buy, 5 minute sell, 30-minute buy, 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour buy. Hold on. XRP, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Daily to the blue line, you're too late. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, XRP, EUR USD, and the opposite is USD CHF. EUR USD, you're already too late. 1 minute buy, 5 minute buy. You could have made so much money on those options. 5 minute buy, 15-minute, 30-minute. Where the heck is it going to? Hold on. I already hit the 5, 15. I'm going to go ahead and say take every buy stop you can to EUR USD 15-minute blue line. 30-minute, nothing. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop is going to come up, touch this red line, and drop again. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop EUR USD. Let's go ahead and get on record, like I've been doing for the last freaking ever. Buy stop. Buy stop. Buy stop. Daily. Yeah, wow, daily EUR USD buy stop. Weekly sell stop. That's your great reset. To the monthly blue line sell stop EUR USD. GBP JPY. 1 minute. Sell to the blue line. 5 minute. 15-minute, 15-minute buy stop. This is nice for GBP JPY. They're actually moving around. 1 hour too late. Daily for nothing. Daily nothing. Weekly buy to the monthly blue line. I've been saying this for weeks and weeks and weeks, and there it goes up and up and up to its blue line. What do you know? EUR GBP, EUR GBP. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute. I'm going to change that. 1 minute buy stop is going to come up and touch the red line, forming a sell stop. A true sell stop where this turns to green. Let me be specific. On this particular trade right here, this is what's going to happen. EUR GBP is going to rise up further. Lord willing, it's going to form our buy stop and our bullshit detector indicator right here. It's going to turn to green, and all the rest of these are going to turn to red. Right? So if we get our wish, I wish I might upon I wish tonight. Okay, that's it. We get all these three things here. And that's what it's going to do. It's going to pull up on the 5 minute. 1 minute buy, EUR GBP. 5 minute sell eventually. 15-minute sell. See how late you are to the party. 15, 30 minute already happened. Please use the scanner to start getting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 4 hour sell stop. If you guys just catch these things sometimes, 195 pips. Whatever. Weekly buy stop. Monthly nothing. And that is EURGB. US oil, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. 5 minute. Sell stop. 15-minute. Nothing. US oil, 30-minute. It doesn't sell. And you can still, it'll eventually work its way down to come down further. But this is that buyback bullshit. This should already be dropping down to the weekly and touching this weekly line. It is a weekly sell stop to the blue line. Whether they let it get there or not, I don't know. They do all kinds of scam stuff because they start coming buying back oil. Whoever heard of such? Artificial pushing things up, get out of here. Amazon, we already talked about. Gold we already did, but I'll do gold one more time. Gold, wait for a buy stop on the 1 minute. You have to let this pull back. You draw out what gold's going to do. Well, it already did it. It already formed our logo once. So let's look for it on the 50. If you get lucky, it's going to pull back and do this number. Like a twisty, whiny upward snake. Right? You like that one, Precious?
Yeah.
It had already hit the blue line. I mean, what do you want? There it is. There's the 30-minute. 1 hour. There it is. 1 hour buy stop, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop to the blue line. There it is. Touch the blue line. I'm done. I'm not calling gold. I mean, I'll call long-term gold. 4 hour sell, daily buy. The rest of it, come on, ridiculous. You rode that up to the blue line. If you didn't, you should have. US 30 is going to rise back up, give us another sell stop there shortly. NAS, and already rose bad. Look at little Nas. I didn't make any money, Kev. I didn't make any money. I didn't make any money, Kev. Get out of here. Do not email me that you did not make money on Nas. Actually, don't email me ever. Take responsibility for your own personal trade. You had to make money on this trade. Don't even talk to me if you didn't make money on this trade. 15 minutes now. Are you kidding me? What's it approaching now, I wonder, guys? I wonder what could be approaching now. I don't know. Could that be a 1 hour buy stop? Get out of it. Learn how to trade for yourselves for once in your lives. Okay, we have a new one. I was waiting for these. Let's see. We have a new one pop up. This is new safety trade. Off New Zealand. Minute 1, SS1. So that means it's the best. SS1 means it's going to its blue line. Let's see if it's accurate. There it is. What does that look like? Well, it's spinning, and it says new. When a 1 minute trade there, it just went away. Now we have less than a minute to get over there, and I'm running my mouth. Let's see if we can find Odds New Zealand and see the trade. Okay, so let's see what we got. Odds AUD NZD and there it is. Let's see what it looks like. It is a sell stop to the blue line. Odds New Zealand 1 minute. It is a 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. So if you wanted to play Odds New Zealand, you can do this. If you like the longer term buys, place it up here. Or you can go over here to the 1 minute. Oh, and before your very eyes, they dropped this so fast and so quickly down. Oh my! I was going to come back and put a sell stop in. They dropped that so fast and even missed the bummer. There it is, 10 pips. As the system called out, as Keith Palmer, who made the scam, according to my rules of the safety trade system, Keith made the scanner. There it is. There's your odds, New Zealand. Made as much as a professional trader does in a day. It did it in seconds. There's the power of the scanner. Buy the system so that you can get the scanner. Everyone just got a free upgrade. Buy the system. Look at that. I'm telling you, you got to move fast in those 1 minutes, but damn, that was ridiculous. I couldn't even put the sell stop in before it dipped 10 pips, 9 pips. Are you kidding me? Every one of you just saw that live. How incredible was that? Gone over NAS BSC. Scanner is awesome. Scanner calling out NAS 1 minute sell stop. Yep, it is. But be careful. It's also calling out a higher time frame too. It creates a double hump camel. Maximum Overdrive. Good morning, Maximum Overdrive. The double hump.
Camel.
Double hump camel, says Bri. They should hear you now, Precious. They should hear you. Hopefully they can still hear me good. Greg, if you get time today, can you talk about filling the gap? I don't ever see it. What's up, Marcus? My name is not Greg, it's Kevin. But whatever, bro. You can call me anything you want, I guess. And no, I'm not. The fill in the gap is up to you to learn at advanced training. I will not go over that. There's too many scammers out there trying to learn things and take things out. So no, I won't. But thanks for asking. I'm using $500 this morning. Jordan Bagley. Watch. Nice, Jordan. Congratulations, Jordan, for seeing that. That helps you to train and learn. Keith, good morning. Jose. I hope I can't read that stuff now. This is Jose. Wrong Jose. All right, now let's see. maximum Russell. Take your profits. Listen to Russell and take your damn profits. Buy the damn system. Take the damn profits. Buy the damn system. I think that's everybody's question. That is so pretty though. When AUD New Zealand was called out and it moved down, come on, really? Is there anything better in this world? NAS, 1 minute, 15 minute. Just wait for it. 15 minute sell stop, 1 minute, 1 hour buy stop. That's all. US 30. Sell stop, fill in the gap. It's going to come up. And it's going to go it's too far away. Holy jamosies. I hope this thing comes shooting back up. But this 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop was absolutely. Let me show you how perfect this was. You guys play whatever, blah, blah, blah. Have fun. There you go. Now, let's go over here. I'm going to show you the power of the system in the palm of your hand that every one of you has. This is the craziest stuff in the history of the world. Watch this. We don't do top-down analysis here. Oh, I got to turn this off. We do real life analysis, real time analysis. So what does that mean? Over here, let me turn it like this. You see so much more on YouTube, but so here we go. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade the safety trade system. How freaking cool it is, and how easy it is. You can't see everything over here. You're going to see it. All right. So you should get cut over to YouTube, please. But whatever. Sell stop. Sell stop. Sell stop. Sell stop. US 30. Hold on. While I'm talking to you, you just wait. If it keeps going up, so be it. I'm going to show you a trade. If it never comes down, you don't have to worry about being paid. All right. I'm going to show you a trade this morning. Just happened at open, called out right before open. Everybody wrote it down. This just happened. And how it works. You're going to see real time. You hit that little red crosshairs button that pulls up crosshairs on both charts. The 1 minute is on the right. The 5 minute is on the left. And I can't believe I actually have people using this. And then we need it to pull up even further now. That's right. And so I was calling for this to rise up, and it's doing that for us. Maybe it'll keep going up. We'll get another sell stuff for you guys. Watch. But anyway, this is perfection. So we have our logo. No one wants to get into that. Bottom line comes over. Your main thing on TikTok, if you can't see all of them now, is the bottom indicator red, red, red. These indicators you can't see. Yeah, you can't. The bullshit indicator is green. The bottom of the support indicator for the world is red, red. Our line is red. Inside the blue is red. Our logo is red. I'm going to show you all those things. But look what it looks like over here. It's our logo. It came over, came down, came back up. We have a logo that we trade. That's all we trade. Over and over and over and over and over and over again. That's all you trade. Over again. Did I mention that? So as you can see, real time, we don't do top-down analysis. Top-down analysis for Yahoo. Top-down analysis is the most basic, outdated. It's as bad as trying to use support and resistance. Okay? So top-down analysis is silly. You can literally see inside candles with this. You can see inside the 1 minute, the 5 minutes. You'll hear me say, oh, within 3 minutes, within 8 minutes. I'm telling you because I'm looking inside the candles and when they're going to restart. So when you come back up over here, right? Uh, I'm in the money on my buy stop, $54 on NAS. The 1 hour buy stop is engaged for me. Take your money out. You don't have to stay in it. Okay. Now, that's what we're doing. This is where you're at. All you have to do is just match it up. So look, this, when you see this right here, is only coming from this retracement on the 5 minute over here. So when you start learning things, you're going to learn about the importance of the 5 minutes. If you're a scammer, you never hear this. So if you're trying to get something for nothing and not pay for something, you're not going to get anywhere because I will not teach this. But this is very important on the 5 minute. Our students don't actually trade the 1 minute like you see me doing. They're looking at the 5 minute. Boom, right here, fill in the gap. I told you when this occurs, there's missing puzzle pieces in here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. that you'll learn once you buy the system. Guys, is there not a lot more stuff? Is there not? Who's ever been through the training? Is there a lot more stuff I don't teach you on the live? Like 90%. Okay. What I teach you on the live versus what I teach you in your small group training, is there more in the small group training? Yes or no? Is there a lot more to the system that you learn about in the small group training? Yes or no? Sell, stop, 1 minute. Yes. Tons, says Bootlegger. So much stuff to the system. SPX went up. Yes, please. Yeah, went up and you can make money. I just said I'm in my buy stop and make money. Yes, there's a lot more. Okay, so I'm going to pull this up for you. I'm going to head over to my YouTube channel. You guys can, and then on the YouTube channel, well, on the YouTube channel, there's over 500, nearly 50 videos right here. We're going to go over to the lives. We're going to come back home again, so trigger in the current one. And we're going to open this up. So I'm asking the question: is there a lot more to the when you get the training? Morning, Bree. I'm sorry, but oh, don't worry about that, Marcus. So much more stuff to the system. Tons. Yes, Marcus. Yep, tons. Be nice. Yes, there's a lot more. Basically, a whole new world. Huh? Huh? In honor of someone going to see the
The
Little
Little
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
So much more. More you learn, the better. Isn't it precious? Nice, not just like this. All right. So thank you for the few people who did speak up. So if you think you're scamming or getting something for nothing, you're not. Just buy the damn system, learn how to trade for yourself, and make money. Make lots and lots of money. We want this to blow up even further. All right. So that's all. So if you think that what you're learning here is everything, it is not everything. There's a lot more to this. Oh, new trade, new trade. Hold on. GBB JPY, GBB JPY, GBB JPY. Lead world. Sell stop 1 minute. GBP JPY. Sell stop. See, it's new. It's flashing new. The last time this flashed, oop, gotta go. So just flashing. Now I got to scooch over there and find GBP JPY. The good news is this right here. This is a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line that is correct. Let's see if it can come up. Oh, hmm. You're going to engage on the 15-minute buy stop. 15-minute buy stops and engage 100% correct read. If you want to play this, put your sell stop underneath here. It's not going to engage. If you can put your sell stop underneath here, wait for it to come back down again, take the money out. It's not going to be long. It's going to engage. I already has engaged. If you're on the 15-minute buy, would have engaged. You're already earning the money on the top, which was called out also by the scanner. So this is a very fast-moving game. If someone blind or was saying something about SPX going up, yeah, it's going up. Yeah, you should have took your money out when you're up 11 pips, 12 pips. If you did it, you're greedy. Everybody out there, what happens to greedy people that keep trying to make more and more money on a sell stop on an SPX 1 minute when you're under rules to take your profit 1, 2, or 3 pips at the most? What happens to people that stay in this trade? Do they win or lose? What do we call them? We doesn't like me saying.
It was a bacon.
Call them bacon. That's exactly right. They're cooked. They get slaughtered. Correct, bootlegger. PK says they get slaughtered. But there's layers of system. At the same time, it might also be the easiest to follow, says PK. Correct. I do make it look easy, but that's why I'm having guests. This is what you do. Every time you buy the system, you learn the system, you teach the system. But the first thing you need to do is unlearn to relearn. I like that. Unlearn to relearn. This is it. US 30. Ho, 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 ho. Hold on a second. We'll get back to that. Unlearn, relearn business in a second. Sell, stop.
Guinea pig syndrome.
Yeah, you have greedy pig syndrome. You're going to regret it, boy. We're going to go over to our 5 minutes, and we don't forget now. Don't forget, we have a 1 hour buy stops on across the board on all indices. I'm swinging over here for the fun and joy of it, and I'm going to watch this sucker like this right here. We're just going to shove this right here for argument's sake. Right? But in the meantime, let me see the 30-minute. Nice. 1 hour. Nice. Look at this. This sell stop only 220 pips ish, right? So if you don't take that 220 pips, I'm not even talking to you. I will laugh at you. I didn't make 100 pips. Yeah. I can hear it too. I can hear someone writing it saying, I didn't take 100 because I thought it was going to go to 200. I expect an element. Well, sell stop, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Buy stop, 1 hour US 30. Sell stop. I would suspect some change in this position, whether it's going to go up or down, that's up to God, in about 15 minutes. Yeah, I would think, what time is 15 minutes from now? 15 minutes. So in about 15 to 18 minutes, you're going to see something happen in this one. Sorry, I can't narrow it down at this point. I'll narrow it down. By the way, you're in the money on that odd New Zealand. And not only is this going up, I called for it to go up because it was too far away from the 5 minute line. But now it's done what we wanted. Still a 1 minute sell stop. Let me see something. Blue line touch. SPX. Blue line touch. Yeah, let me see. Oh, we got it. So this is technically a buy stop to the blue line for US 30. Let's see if it goes up and hits the blue line. That comes close. Yep, there we go. I should have caught that earlier. I'm so sorry. I mean, I had the ability to catch that earlier now. Yep, there we go. Close enough to the blue line touch. I'm going to take that as a victory for the 2 out of the 3. Wolves go, oh, well, you can't. Yeah, it doesn't have to touch it. It's just close enough. We should call it horseshoes and hand grenades. I might call it H&G scanner. Horseshoes and hand grenade scanner. Look at it. Look at it. Jimmy says, Father. Thank God and Kevin made money. Nice, yes. Congratulations. Dr. Matt Spangler, good morning. Patrick, thank you for speaking up. Good morning, Kimberly Harrington. Thank you, Sams, for speaking up. Thank you, Bootlegger, for speaking up. Thank you for speaking up. I expect all of you to speak up. That's okay. By the way, is that an actual touch? I don't know. Is that close enough to touching? Yeah. Uh, Damn, that's so close to touching. I'm taking that all the way to the bank. That is close enough. The click's going up to touch it. Sure, that's fine. There. Now, come on, that's a touch. All right. There is 2 out of the 3. We already have. Watch how this works. I'm not going to go into detail, but you had SPX hit its blue line. You had NAS hit its blue line. 1 minute talking, and then US 30 came up and touched this blue line right there, claiming victory. Called out. You could have at least got it from here to here. About only 30, 40, 50 pips. That's when I called it right there. That's it. Is it going to keep going up? No. Well, maybe. I don't know. I'm waiting for a sell stop to occur. What am I waiting for? Maybe it'll turn around. Maybe it won't. Maybe we'll get into that buy a little later. Maybe we won't. If it doesn't come back down, we don't lose anything. If it comes back down, we'll win. Wait. US 30. That's how you play it. That's what it was called. That's how you do it. Cool. Let's look at something else. Something else. Something boom to the blue line. That is so beautiful. Naz, let's see what Naz is up to. Making a mess at mockery. 1 minute buy, 15 minute sell, 1 hour buy. Don't tell me you didn't make money on that 1 hour. Don't tell me you didn't make money. Except it was up 50 pips. Oh, it kills me. Get an email 3 days later, some Yahoo who never studied one thing in his life. Oh, I don't know why I lost. Get out of here. 1 minute, 5 minutes, sell stop. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, sell stop. SPX. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. If you don't like doing this is a this is 30 minute sell stop to the blue line. I'm assuming. Wait, no, it is not. You're third. It is both. All right. You're in the money, by the way. If you took those trades, you're up $105. If you followed my trades and followed it up to the 15-minute line, you're up to $123. You can clearly see the trades right here. You can see that I'm in the money. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close one of these up. You're up $169 if you follow that trade. You're up $1 if you follow the odds and trade. You're up $139. You're up $154. I'm going to go ahead and close one down and lock one in. There's your money on those trades. I was waiting for it for a pretty good bit of time. And you're in the money. Let's move to that AUD New Zealand, AUD and DD. And you're in the money. I'll lock this one in too. Doesn't sound like much, but I take every $2 I get. I make the dollar great. I don't make a dollar great. So now you made money on that 10 pips on the sell stop on Odds New Zealand, AUD, NZD, and you also made money on the buy stop called out the 15 minutes that I entered in. Let me be clear. I entered in this trade. I'm in this trade. There you go. And the other one, US 30. You're in the money again on the US 30. I followed it up to the 15-minute line. Right? My sell stops in. And look at it go down. Here's your money. Take it. You're up $200, $300. Take the money, close down the trade. There's no reason to stay in any longer. Audrey really came through. Look at how much cleaner this one is than that one. The one up there was unusable. This one, even your mom can use it. And the other one, absolutely. Where were we? Audience with Henry Sergeant Hartman. Michael Lewinsky. Hello, once. It's from. Is that Full Metal Jacket? No, it's the other one where he's screaming. The guy barks out with the deer. Great job, Maximum Overdrive. Congratulations. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? We'll sit here and make more money, more money, more money. It cracks me up how TikTokers, unless I flash my money 24/7, there's 93 people. Uh-uh. There's 93 people on YouTube watching, and we have 16 on TikTok. Now that varies in the evenings. Hell, I just closed off on Monday night, 7 people that were watching on TikTok. But in the morning, very slave. Then exactly booming. You're up $163. You're up $150. You're up $149. This is at US 30, but it's a broken sell stop, Kev. La 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 la. Well, I knew it was going. I told you it was going. I followed it up, put my sell stops in, and now you guys should be up. How do you know this? Because look, the 5 minute red line is the box, the most important indicator in the history of the world. And no, no one has it. Yes, I've received an email saying I have the box. I have the box. No, you don't, because it's a made up indicator by me. It stands for Bri, Brianna, Olivia, Katie, and myself, Kevin. BOKK. And it stands for you're going to be okay. But whatever. BOKK. For the three people I love most in this world, this doesn't stand for anything. It doesn't stand for any technical thing at all. It doesn't. And it was red, fill in the gap. Here it is. This has been written out to you guys multiple times. You go over to the 5 minutes, fill in the gap, sell stop. You're also in the 1 minute. Oh, well, how long and how forever and how long? Well, I'm just going to come down, come close to touching this red line, and it may flip and come back up again. That's why you take your profits. If you're up, and which you are, and you're up 50, 60 pips on a trade, and you don't make profit, shame on you. Oh, but you hold your trades for months. Yeah, not 1 minute trades. I've held a 5, 6 week trade, a 1 hour trade. Yeah, multiple times that for days. But 1 minute trades, make your money and get the hell out of Dodge. And it's being recorded. Yes, it's being recorded.
200 gas money.
Nice.
Not even gas money when you have all those cars.
Maximum Overdrive, that isn't gas money. She's right. You guys should go check out his channel. It's the coolest car freaking channel, although I'm not into cars and I don't do any other one. But it's the coolest car collection I like. Maximum Overdrive on TikTok. Probably YouTube too, I guess. Check it out. It's amazing. You should use Kim, the Candle Lady. What's her name? Candle Envy. Oh, speaking of that, we can go into our Discord. CandleEnvy.com makes so cool. I can show you on TikTok what she does. Coolest shit ever. She made us this cool ass, kick ass. Look at see that? Buy. No, it is so cool. It's a safety trade system. So freaking cool. And she made some custom ones for Bree's mom, right? Can you guys hear Bree talking now? Sell Naz. Naz clicked into the money. The sell stop on Naz clicked in. You're up $75. And then I want to go to that our page so they can see it. Let's see what's going on. Look at Naz. I set this up, left it here, forgot all about it actually. Look, you're in the money on Naz now. Sell stop on Naz is up $72. Boom. I caught free money, wasn't even paying attention to the trade. I just set it up just in case. Bingo, boppo, bango. It took out the profit on the buy, opened up the sell, in the money again. Oh, yeah. What's he saying? Maximum Overdrive. We all want to grow up and be like Maximum Overdrive one day. He's driving around in $1 million fucking cars. It cracks me up. All right. Thanks for the shout out, guys. System made me $750. Still, if you remember, greedy pigs get slaughtered. Learn that part. Yeah, right. Congratulations, Maximum Overdrive. $750 this morning. That is gas money.
Yeah.
That'll fill them up. Use most of this thing. I would assume. Hey, Rose, buy off 15%. Nice, Ken. Sell. Close them down or close down most of them. Can you close? Can he close or does he have to hold those? You might have to hold those to 11 or something. I don't know how they work over there. Hey, can you close those, please? So you can close them down and make them in? God, I hope so. Can't really hear a Bree. No, but I'll be home in 10 minutes on the computer. Maybe it'll be different. Oh, okay. First, I have the microphone right in front of you. Can we move over there and see if they can do it? Actually, they can. I'm loud as a motherfucker. Here, let's try that. Oh. There's a long cord on this one. There. All right. Now let's see if you can hear Bree. Can you hear me still? Can't stop hearing me. Lord, I'm sure you have nightmares about it. Let me go over to the Discord. We're going to go into the Discord. We're going to find this cute little page we made that no one seems to be looking at. Sell stops are in place. Nothing you can do. There's sell stop for NAS, sell stop for SPX. What's going on? Yeah, I know it's my birthday. They're trying to say it's a Discord birthday. This has been a year then. It's been a while.
What's Discord's birthday?
Yeah. So let me go here. And let's go over here. Didn't I make a row say we support welcome Discord? Right?
Yeah, scroll down to the bottom.
I don't want it at the bottom. I want it
It's right there. Above.
Please support. Right. So we have these little places in here. Oh, we have to take the feet though. Then we need to take this one down. Hold on. This isn't they remove our embeds? Well, at any rate, please support these particular safety traders, and if anyone else has anyone else that would like to be supported on here, make this grow. This right here will take you over to an Etsy shop. It's the cutest shit you ever seen in your life. Absolutely cutest stuff ever. Oh, good. Patrick can hear Precious. These cute little flower plant thingies. Oh my gosh. At any rate, I would head over to that Etsy store. Candle Envy, the candle I was just I'm going to do this every time. We can plug people. Why can't we plug the people we love and care about that are helping us? Well, you shouldn't do that. We're on here to make money. Yeah, okay. There's more in life than making money. There really is.
Candles are awesome. They're non-toxic and they smell
And cool looking too.
good. And she can do custom candles.
And me here from the first time looking at them. Ah, she has a wine thing in there. Oh, that's cool. It's like sand and oak. There you go. So they're healthy for you, not those shit things you can buy from the stores. So that's Candle Envy. And then this is another one. These are in our Discord. If anybody would like that information, please free. So 35 creations. Did you ever pick up the stuff?
Mom's getting it today.
You forgot, precious.
We've been out of time.
All right. Sealed with a kiss, bro. That's it. That must be cold press soap. There it is.
Yay.
XO35creations.com. Lemon cake. Boy, does that sound good. All right. So that is that. Then next is do that one.
Blue Tide.
Blue Tide acrylics. And I'm so sorry we haven't gotten to the email that the other day. But we said her mom's doing that. Welcome to Blue Tide acrylics. He's made some cool ass like neon sign shit for us. Don't worry, we'll have it up around our trading thing so you can see it. There you go. He makes some cool. I'm not exactly sure everything he makes. I can't absolutely tell you it's beautiful what he does, the work he does. There you go. So unbelievable. Every one of these stores is so freaking cool. And then there's this one. Honey Haven's one. Has the cutest little thing. Just a, all right, I'm done. I'm done. Let's get back to trading. I don't care. It's not all about freaking making every money of every second of every day. Get real. How about we try to help each other out while we're on our supporting each other's businesses? Take care of each other. Because I'll give you one fucking thing for real. Government sure ain't doing it for us. All right, where were we? Closed down the NAS trades. We made money. U.S. still open at this point. I still say this looks like a buy. All right, where was it? Did we miss anything here? Anybody's watching on the fence about getting system, just do it because you won't regret it. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Health Family Wealth, for speaking up without being 100% agreement. Health Family Wealth, Patrick. Thank you. We're staying away from all. Patrick O'Neill, 100% agree. Yep, thank you, Patrick, for speaking up without being asked. Oh, I can move this back. Sorry. People on TikTok, I'll move you back. We can do that. All right. Now, I don't know where we're at. All right. Does anybody want me to go over anything in particular? TikTok or YouTube? We're not going anywhere. Does anyone want me to go over anything?
Yes, please. New Zealand. Jabby.
New Zealand J.
Yes.
We have AMC theater tickets. Probably can't get them anymore.
Yes, I will. I'll get them right now.
Sell stop. This should be a 1 minute though. Sell stop. 5 minute. Oh, sorry. Let me look at New Zealand. What? New Zealand JPY. New Zealand. Hey, we got it. Yay, New Zealand, Japan. All right, let's take a long, hard look at New Zealand. 1 minute still. Stop. Let me make sure my And yep. Well, I believe it. So that is. Um, it might shoot up here. Hold on, let me see something. We're in 5 minutes. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's call out New Japan. It can go back up, touch the 1 minute blue line. Fair enough, do it, whatever, don't care. After it does that, 1 minute sell stop, New Zealand. 15 minute sell stop. It's actually a 30 minute sell stop. 30 minute 1 hour sell stop, New Zealand. Ugh, down to the 4 hour blue line, guys. Guess what it hit? The 4 hour blue line. That sucks. Daily buy, weekly buy, and that's it. So it's already hit its blue line on the 4 hour. That's where it was going to. See my problem with that? I'm not overly thrilled. I would wait whenever you see. Meaning, if you see a very good 1 minute sell stop, personally, that is, yes, take it. Not perfect. Like the 15 minute is needs to come back over and cook. So the 5 minute needs to come over. So the 5 minute needs to fall further. You can do a 1 minute sell stop on this. I'm not thrilled it hit its blue line on the 4 hour. I would stay away from New Zealand. You do it. Let's see.
Oh, awesome.
Tracy and Davis, traders in their business. It's awesome that you show support and genuine care. Hell yeah, Tracy. If you got a business or anyone out there that's in the system, you got a business, put it up. We'll put it up on our Discord and I'll bring it up every freak. I'm going to do it every freaking time. So, yeah. Who's going to be my next guest teacher for a half hour? Wednesday of next week. Wednesday of next week. Who would be like, oh, we got a new one. If you'd like to be the next guest teacher, and there's a reason why you want to do that. It could be greedy or not. We have you just have 5 minute sell stop on. You can see it pop up with a banner. You can see then we go down to the U, which is going to be way down here before it goes to the areas. And it's flashing. You can see it's flashing new. You only trade when it just went away. Now we have to look. You can hold the picture too, but I like opening up the look real quick. Unishuff, Unishuff, Unishuff. 5 minutes. 5 minute sell stop on Unishuff is correct. There's going to be a corresponding buy. See, the buy already happened on here and USD. They always move in opposite. USD CHF, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. 5 minutes. Sell stop to the blue line. Not the first time this would have been called. This had already been called and touched the blue line. Out of that trade. 15 minutes, nothing. 30 minutes, nothing. 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour buy stop USD CHF. So let's see if that's a 1 hour buy. Is it for USD sell? It is. See how they work? They're always out. I really wish we could get a scan rate on that too. Okay. Daily sell stop USD CHF, and that must mean we have a buy stop. Look. You want to see how powerful the system and how accurate the system is? Watch this shit right here and tell me A, that the market isn't a scam, and B, that my system that was created, ERUSD daily, go to the chart. It is a buy stop to the blue line. Unishuff daily, go to the chart. It's a sell stop, not the blue line. Look at it. Everyone out there knows what this is. Sell, even if you scammers know what this is. ERUSD, buy stop. Unishuff, sell stop. What does that mean? Red inside this white rectangle. Red, green, red. That is a sell stop. Look, green, red. And it's broken. It's still green. Buy stop to the blue line. How in the world? A, why is it like that? Why are they scamming? Why? Why are the money? I'm not going to list them. Why are the two major players scamming us? Why on earth is ERUSD a buy and the exact time without even looking USD to sell? Because the market's rigged, it's a scam, and it isn't true. And there's nothing real about it, including the fake little numbers that we're playing with. Well, they can be bars, they can be candles, they can be lines, they can be Fibonacci, blah, blah, blah. Get out of here. It's all made up numbers. They make them up. Why is USD at 0.90948? But if I go over to ERUSD, its price is at 1.07269. If I go over to Bitcoin, it's at whatever. If I go over to GBP USD, another currency pair, it's at 1.2512. If I go over to SPX, it's at 4,055. And if I go over to NASDAQ, it's at 14,000. If I go over to US 30, it's at 32,000. If I go over, because it's all just a big thing. They're all different prices. They're all different prices of what they are. And they're all different prices based on the US dollar. Well, the US dollar is going to be collapsed and taken out. They're bringing in a digital dollar. The fiat currency that you call the US dollar is no more real than a digital dollar, no more real than Bitcoin. What makes it real? The US government says it's real. None of this is real. It's all made up. So I just happen to figure out their made up stuff. I happen to figure out their little scam that they're perpetrating on and giving you guys the keys to the kingdom for $575. I'm showing right now with you can't dispute this. You can't dispute this buy stop any more than you can dispute that this is a sell stop. That's it. There it is. Oh, I know you're going to finish. Okay, whatever. There it is. Oh, but I want to make money now. Okay. Okay. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. US 30. I'm going to change this to a 1 minute buy stop US 30. 5 minute sell stop US 30. And you're going to enter into this buy. Oh, Lord. I think I'm kicked out of those. Oh, we're in the money in that auction. Let's trade. Just so you know. Okay. SPX. SPX buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. We just have to wait now for these to all reload. There's nothing really I can call. If you want technical calls on this, 15 minute sell stop. SPX. If you want technical calls on this, technically 15 minute sell stop has. If you want technical calls on this, you're in the money from the line. See, technically, you have to let it reload. 5 minute sell. I'm changing all of these right here to buy stops. They're all basically 15. I'll make it 15. So that play to the blue line just happened. You can get out of it. You can stay in it. You can do whatever you want in it. All the whole time you keep the inside it. Precious.
Silly.
At any rate, you just made money on that 15 minute. You made $69. You made $63. You made $59. Lock in the profit on your buy. Look at it go up. $75, $93, look at it go up. Unofficially, a buy. Now, how do I teach you guys that? I can't teach you everything. What do you want? I can't go over every damn thing. I'm sorry. It is what it is. And that's all. There it is. There's your money. Take it and get out. Take it and get out. Take your money and get out of the trade. Unless you open up more than one, then keep it open. That's up to you. Here's your money. Did it again right before your very eyes. Well, you didn't call that. Yep, did. And I'm still in the Austrian green trade, AUD and ZD trade. Super fast. Oh, he's thinking of the old song. Once
Oh, that's
yes,
funny.
that's the one we're talking about. 1 minute buy stop EURUSD. He said that system was like that. There you go, Shanti. That is correct, Shanti. Fucking love the system. My friend and I built that system and Zoom together, cheering each other on. And in total, I made a little over 9,000 yesterday and 4,000. Let's look at NVIDIA. You're using it for NVIDIA because everyone's, oh, NVIDIA. Let's take a look. NVIDIA, we have a 1 minute buy stop already. You have a 15-minute sell stop. What did it drop? 15-minute buy stop, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop, 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop in NVIDIA. This is easy. People are saying they didn't know NVIDIA was going to go up. They don't have the damn system. These are 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy. Oh, up here. Well, these are 1 hour buys. Look at it. You knew what NVIDIA was going to do before NVIDIA. Look at it. You're the money on your buy on that. Great job on your NVIDIA. Great job on your support shots. Yes, thank God. I agree with that. He said it best. This is that's awesome. Comparing to 1 minute EUR USD buy stop. Single explanatory for the system is I use Hugo's Way. Nope, you can use it. The creators on Hugo's Way. It has to be installed on Eagle FX or Hugo's Way, but you can trade at any broker you want. Thank you for answering. Lastly, so this is USD will fall and Euro will go up. What? No, I just mean do whatever safety trade you're seeing. You're going to make money. 5 minute, 15-minute SPX, not ideal. Brutal line. 5 minute, 15-minute SL stop. Here, it was calling something out for us. Oh, 5 minute, 15-minute. The 5 minute is the one. Let me see over here. That was beautiful. Oh, that's what you're saying. Look at it. Well, please say it didn't tap us out of the news. It didn't. US 30, 5 minutes to the blue line. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. NAS, already entered into because I left the trade open on the buy. If you were going to buy, you would sell. Yeah, that's what you do here. We don't sit around on our thumbs, right? Our thumbs up somewhere. This is your buy stop. Look at it. Boom, baby. Look. You're in the money hugely. How much money? I don't know. Pick a number. You're up 36 pips on NAS. NAS is going down just a second ago. Yep, fast paced game. If you ain't playing it, get on to the 1 hours and 4 hours. 1 minute trades to the blue line. Look at it go up. Oh my God. See, I don't know. SPX in the money. I don't know. The US 30 I said to the blue line right here, right now, right before your prayer eyes. Matter of fact, whoa. This is going to get caught in there. You don't want to get caught in a trade when you're already in a trade or a seller. Nice. You can flip it. You can. All right, no, that should not be my line right. These are just a few trades right here that I have. You're up $181 on US 30 NAS and $179, $174. $1.74 on the AUD and ZD trade, proving that trade was correct. Yeah, I know it's $1. I don't care. But and there's your money. Again, for the 50th this morning. Okay, USD JPY. You don't know. You can look at it. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. USD JPY. Look at that money you're making. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. It's going to go up and touch this red line. The 5 minute flip and hook back and come back down. 5 minute sell stop USD JPY. Look at the 15 minutes to the blue line. Too late. You can trade. I take back everything I just said. There's a 30-minute sell stop, 15 minutes to the blue line. You should be happy and done with this trade. If you're trying to get it more than 11 pips, 113 pips in USD, you agree, pay your slot. 4 hour buy stop. And I'm just calling that so you can have something. So it's going to come up, 1 minute buy, which I wouldn't even, whatever. Then it's going to form, come back up to here, down on a sell in 5 minutes. Or you can wait patiently to the 2 hour buy. Or you can wait for the 15-minute sell stop to the blue and 30 sell stop to the 15. You either be grateful and be done and don't trade it, or do all those other things I told you to do. I missed this. I missed one. Shit, just went off. I missed it. That's what USDJ was. You're welcome to. All right. Sparza, thank you. Thank you guys. You're welcome, Sparza. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm about to go over how to trade on these and how we figure this shit out. Let's take a look at US 30. US 35 is going to the blue line. Why did we do that? Well, because NAS had already passed the blue line. We already knew that because SPX had already passed the blue line. That's why I stopped on it. And I said, hey, US 35 stopped to the blue line. And well, guess what it did? It passed the blue line. Now, if you're still in a trade after being up 50 to 60 pips, you will get slaughtered and you deserve to lose. Take your prop looks and come down and tap me out right now. What did I tell you? I closed one, mine kept one open. That's one. What was your NAS, your NAS, your NAS trade, your NAS trade? Yep. Two, kept one open. And then take profit. I don't do a trade like not the number of stupid thing on earth. I move it up when I see there's a safe zone. Oh, trailing stops don't work. We don't use them. They're not in our rules. We don't recommend them. But I stopped filling the gap, by the way. Coming up. So how did you know that we went to the next best thing? I told you guys, I wrote out to you the 1 hour buy stops. Here we end. The 1 hour buy stop. Oh, but that's not true buy stop. Yes, it is. You go to the 4 hour, you can see it's a clear break. Look, your block is still green. There it is. You're in the money. Well, how do you know which one to do? I don't know. Do the system for 3.5 years like I have. Maybe you'll get good at it. Maybe the system like other people have done it for maybe 3 months, 2 months, 6 months, and you get good at it. But the system is flawed. The only time there's errors in trading is human error. The system is flawless. If it calls for a 1 hour, 4 hour buy, I think it's 4 hour buy stop. If it calls, damn, dog, calling it. I was in this trade literally from here. We were up over 1,000 pips. And I sold out with the account I'm watching at 800. At any rate, this is a buy stop. You can't miss it. If you put a trade in here and it goes down and goes up, that's your fault. The system is foolproof and the system is 100% accurate. You, as a person, as a human being, can mistakenly run the system. I've never seen a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop or sell stop miss on any symbol ever in the last 3.5 years that I've using the system. Ever. If it meets the criteria of our rules, it will not miss. Oh, but there's no such thing as a risk. I'm just telling you my history. I've never seen it miss. You guys go find out. Everybody has it. I've given the thing. I said, you have the 1 hour, 4 hour. Find me one time it never worked on a 1 hour confirmed by the 4 hour safety trade on any symbol. Show it to me. Go, show it to me. That's a call out to about 750 people. No one can. They all have none of these are repainted. These are all locked in stone. None of these are painted. Repaint means they move, they change. If I ever did a repainting indicator, I'd be too embarrassed of myself to show myself ever in the history of the world. Repainting indicators is a scourge of trading. They don't tell you that either. It's like, oh, bought the damn thing. My indicators never, ever repaint. They're locked in stone forever. If you have enough memory like I do on my older computers, where you go back 6, 8 months, you go back 6, 8 months out of 200 symbols, you'll never see the 1 hour 4 hour. Try it. Prove me wrong. Go ahead. Are we going to hit the 5 minute blue line? Gold we're talking about, Kim? sorry. I'm getting so away. I'm not paying attention. Oh, she must not be cold. The 1 minute buy stop worked out good. The 5 minute buy stop worked out good. The 30 minute to the 30 minute blue line on gold is hit it. It's hit the 1 hour line on blue on the gold. Daily buy stop on gold. Sell stop on gold. The 4 hour may never engage. It may never engage. But I'll tell you what, that daily may engage. I'll be looking for any one of these 1 minute buy stops on gold. US 30. No, oh, it is getting close. Let me see now. Let's take a look. NAS, blew past it. SPX. Let me go to the 5 minute action. Yep. We still have US 30. Do I love Andre and do I love that new guy, John? Oh, perfect readings, Precious. Perfect readings. Perfect. Baby. So you guys can hear me okay, by the way? Everyone can hear me on TikTok, I mean on YouTube, okay? Hello, family. Well, I'm excited to start showing my wife these indicators. Yay! How well. Yes, please do. I did. Thank you guys. As far as it just cast. Anything else you guys have on any other symbol? I'll call them all out. Have some fun. Sun in the sun, sun in the sun, sun in the sun. Yes, we can hear. Crystal clear. Ha! They can hear over there.
Mike isn't even pointed.
The mic isn't even pointed towards me, and it's not even close to me. And they can still hear me clearly. Could it be because I'm a loud mouth? And I'm
They project.
very projecting voice right now? No, I'm a loud mouth. Woo! That's loud. US 30, we're already on it. I'm playing it literally before your very eyes. This thing called that. I would take any minute buy on US 30 ever has to offer, which would be many coming up. It's going to go up the touch of blue line. So it's called out to Kelly Harrington. Kim, would you like to be the next contestant on The Price is Right? Kim, would you like to come on and be teacher of the day next Wednesday? Kim, that means you would come about 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, or even just a half hour of your time, maybe, or maybe 15 minutes of your time. And you can give your testimonial. Kimberly Harrington, would you like to be it? If not, Kimberly Harrington, how about Sam UK? How about Eric? How about, where's Ken at? How about Ken? Any one of you would like to come on and be. What happens is this, guys, you have to unlearn all the bullshit you think you know about training. Then you have to relearn the way that I teach you to train. And then in order for you to actually learn it and get it built, to learn it and actually master it, you have to teach it. So if I bring you on here where there's several hundred people at any given time listening to this training, right? Well, actually, there'll be over 1,000 people. There's over 500. There'll be 500. Over 1,000 people at any given time, any given day, will be listening to your trade callouts. When you teach them, meaning you don't have to come out and make the call. You have to come out and make the calls and teach them. Say, hey, this is red, 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 green, red, red. This is the buy stop. This is why it's go up. If any one of you start teaching it live, just like our great friend Jimmy Hustle, he's not a friend, he's a good guy though. Our good guy Jimmy Hustle was the first one who came on. He was a little nervous. He calmed down, started making the calls out, started calling out. How long was that? For maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that's all. But that'll ingrain into you to make you a better trade, and it will help other people become better traders. And I'm gonna go on Discord. I'm gonna start going everywhere. I want anyone that wants to learn this better to become a teacher for the day. That doesn't mean you stay all day. That means you come for an hour, 15 minutes, whatever you come for. Okay? All right. Well, if I plan to, yes, in a couple of weeks I will come. Kim Harrington. Fair enough, Kim. Eric, how about your next week? Not plan to, Eric. And who's the other guy? D Nice. D Nice, are you here? I'll do it again if I have to. That's the attitude, Jimmy. Hell no. Can you post on the Discord, please? Who would like to be on next week? It doesn't have to be Wednesday. It could be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Well, Fridays are free fun. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Be nice. You want to come on and be teacher of the day? Well, it'll be teacher of the week, right? Yeah. Teacher of the week next week. It's a phone call in. You don't have to be seen. All you have to do is talk. I will do it, Kev. D nice. D nice. Do we have his email?
Yes.
Okay, D nice. Bree's gonna email. I'll need your phone number, please. Not now. Don't list your phone number now. Send it in an email to her. Don't put phone number. Anything for you, Kev. Thanks, D nice. Can't fill your shoes, Kev. Absolutely they can. Can and will. Can and will. Absolutely. Check my trade Discord. Oh, Jimmy Hustle posts his trades on the Discord.
You just gotta pack boots out of clothes.
Oh, nice. Come on, open it up. See how good looking it is. I forgot to remind you that too. I was really close to trades. Maybe in the trade posting. D glass. Nice.
Maybe some of the ones from earlier.
Oh, and I need John Chisnell to correct the message. John, we need you to.
That's Moto.
Moto, John Chisnell. Moto, are you here? Moto. I made a whole YouTube video because he made the correct. Correct. And is he already in Spanish? Moto. One or the fifth. Oh, okay. Because I want to either upgrade them or do the other. I'm so thrilled. Are these? This doesn't look like what's his face's trades though. Hey, where are you at? Where'd you go? Jimmy Hustle. Yours? That isn't his. That's great that someone else is. I don't see that's his. Look, beautiful. EK's posting the right thing. Mike is posting the right charts. I am Groot is posting the right charts. These guys are making me so proud. Nice. Who is that?
Moto.
Moto. Moto. When you get on here, contact me. John Chisnell, Moto. We're gonna up for 6 months. Moto, you got the free upgrade for 6 months. You're upgraded for free. You got access to all rooms now, Moto. Good morning, boss. Still woke up into 1 hour buy stop. Good job, Jay. Congratulations, Jay. Health and wealth. Eric, you're down for the following week. Okay. Teacher of the week is D Nice. So D Nice is next. And then hey Jay, you want to come on? And what's happened to what's his face too? Maximum Overdrive. You want to come on? Be teacher of the week. D Nice teacher. Well, teacher. D Nice and then Eric. Why not? Then you can show people what you know, don't know. You're going to learn yourself. People are going to be relying on your call. You mistakenly cost people tens of thousands of dollars. They'll be pitching at you. I'm going to go Here's just one of the people's recapture. Right? Probably a little blurry on TikTok. 129, 106, 100. Boop, boop, booty, boop. Profit $683 on this trade, on these trades. $683 profit. There you go. There'll be a loss in there. There'll be gains. There'll be a loss. There'll be gains. But the most part is you'll win 90, probably 95% of your trades. When you get the system down, right? Probably 99%. All right. There you go. Where it happens. Nope. I was looking that up. He's trying to convert over. Yes, convert over stuff himself. Oh, that's our live. This must be. No. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we have this stocks. Okay. Here's some stock call outs right here. Thing of beauty. I see, and I know one of them from once. McDonald's, Mickey D's, right? Sell stop, called out by the scanner. Buy stop, fill in the gap, happening right before your eyes. Yeah, NAS. US 30 doesn't give it to us. SPX is filling the gap, and it doesn't give it to us. NAS is the one that's clean. Oh, shit. There goes McDonald's. Crap. Well, there's a new McDonald's one. There's so many. Look, here's something BRKD. What is that? Sell stop one, 30 minute. I mean, we literally have almost over 50 stocks it watches all time. These are boom, baby. Look at that spinning red glory. Green gifts, money gifts, over and over and over. That's how nice this hand is. Thanks to Keith Palmer. All right, so beautiful. So that is correct. We can go over that business. All right. Inching our way up to that 5 minute. Jimmy, did I check them? I think I do. Buy on NAS in the money. Buy on US 30 in the money. Take that money in. Unless you open up two, then leave one open. That's fine. US 30 about to hit the 5 minute blue line. We're literally watching that. Thank you, PK. Can't today, boss, have plans with kiddos? Not today, Jay. Next, not even next Wednesday. We can do one day next week. Not Monday or Wednesday. Maybe like Tuesday or Thursday, Jay, if you want. I never. Oh, we got new ones. We got new ones. Hold on. Flash up comes. I don't know what this is. Up comes. We really have to pull up. Scanner. Boom. Wait again. Not too slow. Look at this. 30 RKB. CBX. CBX. Yes. I don't know what CBX is. Buy stop 1 minute. DBKG end. Buy stop 1 minute. What are someone must trade that shit if they're out there trading it. Oh, you're in a lot of money on that nasty. Yay. Right? Let me flip this back to things we know. Back up to Forex. Indices? Nope, we'll go to Forex. All right, here we go. All right, now if that comes up, we'll see. Bought the damn system. Looking forward to the call. What's up, Josh Mack? Josh Mack, we need to get a shirt that says buy the damn system. Not the back said bought the damn system. Maybe flash some money or something. Welcome aboard, Josh. Please, everyone, welcome Josh. We're not that corny bullshit. If you feel like welcome, welcome. If you don't, don't. But I hope you feel like saying nice things to Josh. You just bought the system. Odds JPY. 15-minute hit the blue line. Odds JPY. Odds JPY. Yeah, JPY. Odds JPY. Let's go over here. Where'd it go? I knew we had it open, right? AUD JPY. It just was. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and say that 5 minute, 15-minute buy stuff worked out pretty well. 15-minute buy to the blue line. Correct. I would close down if you have three, close one down, or if you have three, close two down, keep one open. Thank you for showing that. Another correct call on AUD, AUDJPY. Correct call. What's Bitcoin been doing? Do I not have my? Oh, hold on a second. I think I still have my open. Uh, yeah. So we have a. That's fine. Yeah. Oh, why is it trying to suck it in there? Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry. Oh, I don't think I can pull it over anyways right now because I got the other stuff. Sorry, guys. I'll be right there. Give me 1 second. Okay. You know when I asked Andre, um, to run on to making the thing run on 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, could it do something like that? So he literally made it to run on those and no others, and he didn't give me the option to change it. So I can ask him to change it, and I'm sure he will because he loves me and help him. But the weird thing is he just does exactly, as opposed to
like a genie.
yeah, he's exactly like a genie, like Timmy Turner's
You
genie,
get exactly what you asked for.
like Norm, because it's just exactly. But it was like
Yeah.
anyone else would go like, okay, yeah, I'll make it for all time frames because I listed those time frames.
Right.
He made it just for those time
Well,
frames, and not editable. Like the other guy did it with the 1 minute, 5 minute, so I can change that 1 and 0 on it to the 5 minute, the 15 minute, anything. But no, that's good.
that's fun.
Jimmy Hustle. Welcome, Josh. Thank you, Pappy. That's that 45%. Jimmy Hustle, 100%. $421 made on US. I'm out. Yeah, Jimmy's fucking kicking ass. Down by the river, I love it. He's not. So Kimberly is out. Close enough. We call that horseshoes and hanging eggs, Kim. I do believe it's going to continue to go up. But why? But how much? $307 for me, and $159 for the other. I'm sorry, and I have a Bitcoin sell still in play for $650. Those are it's like a $3,000. Right? Congratulations, Kimberly. Congratulations, Jimmy Hustle. Kimberly Harrington. Doomer Boy. What's up, Doomer Boy? SPX. Oh, we always know where it's going, Doomer Boy. Good morning, Kev. I am so happy I bought this number 146 pips. Counting on USD CAD as I entered yesterday. You guys rock. Nice. Anthony Villalobos.
Little Lobo.
Villalobos. I thought it in the end, but I care about you. I'm very happy with that.
Awesome.
Congratulations. Just pull that up on YouTube, on TikTok, so you can see that also. Here we are. We're in our wonderful land known as We have Kimberly Harrington, $400 made on USD. I know she gives permission in the past to go ahead and talk about her situation. So Kimberly is obviously female, but I want people to know that. Growing our 1%, less than 1%, YouTube viewership to 3% female, and I wanted to even up more than that. There's no reason why we should be 60-40 female and male. All right, at least 50-50. And that's what it should be. So Kimberly has made it. She's been quit her job, retired once, and asked her to come back. But I do believe, I think she said she was going to retire again in June, but she might change her mind. I don't know. But she makes enough money that she doesn't have to work. Very. But Kimberly started out, I think, okay. And I know she went through a phase where she wasn't doing so well. We had a little chat, and then she came back with a vengeance, and now she's making answers. So don't think you automatically get it. It doesn't always happen. Now, Anthony, good morning, Kev. I am so happy I bought this system. I am up to 46 pips. We need to look at that USD. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Jacob. To be clear, the indicator is worth one MT4 per all. So when or if the time comes, my wife wants to start trading, I got our separate system. That is true. And with the right, Eric, right? Email Bri, and then right, and she should just work on the thing. Correct. But email Bri about that, and she'll talk to you directly. Okay. Yeah, email Bri. Richard Lauder, morning, everyone. Not actually training today. It sounds like it's yes, it was. US 30 touched. Oh, did it? Let me take a look. I love my job. It's my only international. Yeah, she loves it under her term. We touch. We have touchdown. All right, guys. What do I say when something does exactly what we say? By the damn system. Can we get somebody to make this song for us? Where's the metal? By the damn system. Do we have touch? It's gone past it. I knew it would based on where NAS and SPX is. Look, there it is. How much did I know it was? There's a blue line touch. What's the blue line? The magical magnetic number thing that we're not telling you. Look at it. Bingo, boppo, bango. Gee whiz. Gee whiz. What could be the next touch? Don't know. What comes after 5? 10, 15. Oh, there's our two trades. $491 on that buy. $500 on that buy. $271. $281. Oh my gosh, this is going up for your eyes. $3,000 account. We're up $700. There you go. There you go. There's your money. There's your money on the safety trade. We called it to go to Kim Harrington was the first one to ask the question. Thank you, Kim. When Kim asked that question, I said, yeah, I think it's going to beyond. It's like Buzz Lightyear. What do you know? There it is. And I still want to pull up that USD cat, by the way. Buy the damn system. Learn how to fish for yourself. Learn how to trade for yourself. The system costs $575 a year. You'll make that back, Lord willing, as fast as you possibly can, any ever. Oh, it does a trade for me. No, you're going to learn how to take personal trading responsibility. You will learn how to trade for yourself. You will learn how to make calls like Kimberly Harrington does, like Jimmy Hustle does, like Jay Cochran does. Jay Cochran has made so much money since October. I wish he'd come in here. I know he's made over $123,000 in a trade, and I know that he's been over $1 million made with the system. I don't know if Jay will come on and speak up about that. He's usually pretty not, vocal. Doesn't take away the fact. Tommy. Tommy's made $63,000 his last time he came on trading. Tommy is a senior electrical. And Tommy makes a shit ton of money every time he trades. He just has a newborn baby. He never has to worry about finance ever. He said it. He comes on our lives. He'll be on the lives. He's been on a little bit more frequently now with the newborns. And there it is. And then you got people who can make $50 a day, $25 a day. Can you imagine the consistent, I don't know, $50 a day coming in 405 days each week, a couple $100 a week, $800 a month? Hell, it's a freaking should be a rent payment, but it isn't anymore. It should be a freaking car payment, but it's not even one probably. But an extra $700-800 a month, good money. Goroff, $53,000 in 2 days. He retired. He literally quit working. He was in Sweden. I think he went back to trading, but he didn't quit trading for months, 3 months, 4 months. He wasn't doing anything. He was doing money. Buy the system, learn the system. Is it easy? No. But if you buy it, what happens is you come over here and you get this thing called a type form. The type form will hold your hand through it. So the setup is extremely easy. Even if you haven't used MT4 before, we have videos, we do this, how you do it. But if you can't be detail oriented, meaning if you can't follow simple instructions with simple instructions with videos, then don't buy the system. It's not for you. Oh, you're not a very good salesman. You're telling me not to buy it. I'm not selling you shit. If you want to buy the system, get it. If you don't. If anybody out there thinks people should buy the system, maybe people. I make $575. Gold is still pushing. Can't wait for Free Money Friday. One more day. Trap day. Yeah, it used to be a trap day, right? Bingo, boppo, bingo. Buy the damn system, says Pappy. Correct. Congratulations, Kim says to me. So there it is. You get a type form, follow the type form. Every little step is there. How to install your indicator. You'll get indicators from me. And then on Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, after you have this all completed, you submit your MetaTrader 4 to us, your number, these are coded. Then I will teach you live in a small group every Monday at 1 p.m. are the new people. Every Monday between 3 and 4 p.m. are the current people that have already had their training. I won't call them old people. But the people who've already had their trainings between 3 and 4 p.m., 1 p.m. Monday, that's live small groups with me for as long as I'm alive. As long as you guys are alive. I will train you live personally, small groups Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know what time zone you're in. You have to do it yourself. But I will teach you every week and have for the last, oh my gosh, 10 months. Can we start saying a year yet? We have our Discord as 1 year anniversary. No, it is. Yeah, it says it right here. We have our 1 year anniversary. It was right in here. They kept telling, kept telling, kept telling. Yeah. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade for yourselves. You can make calls like Kim and Jimmy and Tommy and Goroff and holy crap. Whatever happened to Lauren and her daddy? You can contact them. We want everybody. We'll do everything in our power to help you make money. I know sometimes it doesn't work out. The standard rules are a third of you are going to kick ass with the system, a third of you are going to break even, a third of you are going to lose. I hate the fact that a third of you are going to lose. I think we're closer to 80% of you making money and about 10, 15, 20% of you are having issues based on my numbers. I don't even want that. There's no reason. Once it starts clicking, I know Ken took for freaking ever to learn it. I think he's gotten it now. What he's saying. Just a bit darker or something. Oh, it must have been outside. Can you tell us this? What's up, Discount Coupon King? That might work somewhere else. It ain't working here, brother. No. You can go ahead and pay the $5.75 like everybody else. Just steal my calls. Just steal the calls and then make the money and then pay for it that way. We have dozens of people doing that. Dozens upon dozens. Probably have people bought the system that way. They just steal the calls, then they buy the system. Keep borrowing the calls, in other words. I trust the system. That was my problem at the beginning. Yep. You have to trust the system's going to work. Crafty Maria Star. Maria Star. DK Ham, you can't join the Discord unless you buy the system. How you join the Discord? Buy the system. Marius Tar, on the trap day. This is the old bullshit. Here we go. You got to get me started on this. Here you go. This is part of the 1% bullshit out here. Here we go. Type in everybody on TikTok and YouTube, and I know you guys sick of hearing it. Well, tough shit. Type in, do 1% of traders, day traders, make money? The first answer comes up says less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. What does that have to do with the question? One of the things I was taught, and Kim was taught, and everybody was taught as they go through life, trading, and the loser way of trading, and the silly way of trading was buy, stop, fill in the gap. NAS 100. I'm not sure. Buy, stop, fill in the was this. Mondays, Sunday nights are trap days, meaning you can't trade them because you're going to be trapped. Mondays are trap days. Don't trade them because you're going to be trapped. Fridays are trap days, meaning you're going to lose money that no matter what, you can't win on them. It's a trap day. You're setting up these invisible imaginary traps. You know what else is a trap day? You can't trade on CFP, NFP, CPI. Those are trap days. You can't trade on FTMOC, MBC, ABC, ABC, PPQ, because those are all trap days. So they never want you to trade because they're scared. They don't know how to trade. So they tell you that Fridays are trap days. You get it? That Fridays are trap days. They're not. They're free money Fridays. We make so much money on Fridays, we literally give it away to our people. We give them $50, $100, you know, whatever, gift card, anywhere they want to go. So Fridays aren't a trap day. That's the old percent. That is the old way of trading, thinking that Fridays are trap days. That's the 1% of profitable traders, less than 1% of profitable traders. But you know what? 99% of us were taught Monday and Fridays were trap days. And we were taught wrong. They aren't. What else were we taught? You have to unlearn to relearn my system. So what do you have to unlearn? You have to unlearn the fact that, here's where I'm going with it. Fibonacci retracements, they come from nature. You're 99% of the time wrong. Don't argue with me. I'm not saying mean things. I'm just telling you, if you type into Google, do less than 1% of traders make money, but less than 1% of traders are actually profitable. There it is. You can't miss it. It's literally there on the screen. You can't deny it. So that means the Fibonacci fails 99% of the time. I'm telling you, bottom of my heart, I tried to make Fibonacci work for a year and a half. I couldn't do it. Fibonacci retracement. And I'm not a bad trader. It just doesn't work. So you have to unlearn the Fibonacci. You have to, sometimes that's the hardest thing for people to do. You have to unlearn support and resistance. There's no such thing. It's a freaking made up little line or trend trading. Unlearn it. It fails 99% of the time. How do I know? 1% of traders make money. Less than 1%, but everyone, but not less than 1% of the traders did not learn those things. They all learned them. 99% of us learned to the left, descending wedges, naming of candles, candle patterns. How about candle patterns? Stupidest thing ever. How about any of that BS? We all learned it, and there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of us who have unlearned it. And then what do? You learn the safety trade system, my system. Then I 100%. I'll take my worst trader. Can you still here? I'll take my. Is that terrible? I take my worst trader, and he wins more than 1% of his trades. And I guarantee you, without any human input, that this system has a better than 1% without any human input. You just go back and at every 1 minute time period, 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, hour chart, daily, weekly, monthly charts. I 100% guarantee you that my system wins more than 1% of the freaking time. Woo! Is that a big claim? We have a better than one, but that's better than all of that rest. It's better than all the rest. And I 100% guarantee you that we're at a better rate than a 1% rate. That's like me telling you that the sun's going to shine today. Yeah, it's going to shine or we die. Yeah, and trust me, it is. Oh, I think tomorrow's NFP, not sure. I was checking out. It doesn't matter. Correct it. I don't know, Kim. It might be NFP tomorrow. I don't know. $8,700 to Shash. Congratulations, Shash. US 30th king of all. Maria says amen. Anthony Villalobos says 100. Well, that's my little speech. But for people out there who are hesitating, I guarantee you this system is better than Fibonacci. Fibonacci retraces, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, candles, candles, anything else you've learned, 100% guarantee it. Just go back and look. Oh, but you can't guarantee. Okay, then I'm not going to guarantee anything. Oh,
What
I did
happened?
not just do that.
What happened?
I shook it clean. Andre did this the other day. I just lost everything. I'm gonna have to pull it up manually. Don't ever let me try. He was having troubles, and I noticed what he did yesterday. Oh well.
Last-
All right, guys, we got to go.
Did I just was just
Yeah. Even the hold on.
dang on.
Oh my god, I can't believe sometimes I get to it.
Well,
Shit. There it is. Here we go. All right, guys. As of now, we're gonna go ahead and go. What time is it, Precious?
11:30.
Oh, it's past time. Good enough for me. Okay. I'm gonna leave you guys with this thought. I can't make any final call. All right, I can remember what it was. Every. Let me see here. Hold on. No, I don't want to show that. Hold on one second. Give me 1 second. Come over. All right, TikTok. I'm not even gonna go over to YouTube after this. We're done. Right here. Take. Let me see. I do have another screen open. Hold on. All right. Here we go. I can go over. Oh, but I. Naz. 1 minute. Take every buy. US 30. Take every buy stop. SPX. Take every 1 minute buy stop. That's all I can give you. I'm sorry. All right. See you later on TikTok. You guys have any questions? Let us know. YouTube, do you have any questions I can answer without a chart? Because I can't show you the chart. Shook everything off. I don't know why it does that. Someone probably tell me because you're an idiot. All right, we can get over here and I can at least say no. That's too funny. But I saw Audrey got upset and the computer started going like that. All right, thanks as always. Thank you, God. Ken, Ken, I was only using that. You're winning now, Ken Rose. Ken, I love you, Ken. You know that. I care about you, Ken. Tua, thanks, everybody. You're welcome, Tua. Thanks, Health Family Wealth. Tanny, thank you, guys. You're welcome. Thank you all for being here. For teaching today. Have a good one. Bye. Love these streams. Thank you, Tom. 1 minute buy stop on gold. Listen to Kim Harrington. I can't pull it up. 1 minute buy stop on gold. All right, guys. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube. See y'all later. Have a great day. I'm sure I'll be on later. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Oh shit! I need to get into the thing actually. And let's see.